Let's turn this glued up bunch of sticks into a functional piece of artwork. Here I'm scraping the glue, the squeeze out from whenever I clamped it up, and we'll get ready to send it through the planer once we get this glue scraped off. Now we're at the planer. This thing is going to really clean this board up. I swear this thing's black magic. You see it, how it goes in, and then as it comes out, it is so clean. Next up is sanding. I start with 80 grit and work both sides. Use pencil to kind of make sure that I keep my sanding down flat. Go to 180. You'll see here that I've got filling a couple knot holes with my Starbond CA glue, and I use black, and it'll blend in real well with this cherry. But like I said, we'll get it sanded up to 180, and then we'll get ready to move over to the CNC. I use Carveco to design this. It's all centered around a juice groove that I put together in Carveco. For the name, I'm going to use my laser, and I design it in light burn. There it is. At the CNC, I use the blue tape and CA glue method for hold down. First thing I carve is the juice groove. I'm just using a bowl bit here. Next, I'll carve the profile of the cutting board. I'm just using an upcut bit, and when I designed this, I rounded the corners off. I think it gives it a real nice finished look. Next, we engrave the name. I use my laser here. Cherry engraves really well with this laser. Really plays with this JTech laser that attaches the Onefinity CNC. Then I use my router here and put a round over edge profile on this board. Back to sanding. I hit everything again with 180. Then I'll move over to use the hand sanding and kind of hit everything that's rounded over and really bring it out. And I'll finish up with 220, doing the same process. Lastly, I'll hit it with a moist rag and water pop it. Prior to final sanding, I'm going to pre-drill for the feet. I attach rubber feet to the bottom of this cutting board. It really takes it up a notch. And here we are, final sanding. Hit it one more time with 220. Time for the oil finish. I use Walrus oil, cutting board oil. I'm really, really pleased with this. Just smear it on. And you see here I'm using my bare hands because it's food safe. It's a very safe product, and I really like it.